Well, I started out down a dirty road. Started out all alone, and the sun went down as I crossed the hill, and the town lit up. The world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Well, the good old days may not return, and the rocks might melt, and the sea may burn. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Some say life will beat you down, break your heart, steal your crown. So I've started out for God knows where. I guess I'll know when I get there. I'm learning to fly around the clouds, but what goes up must come down. The hardest thing. I'm learning to fly around the clouds, but what goes up must come down. I'm learning to fly.
I went across to Switzerland where all the yodelers be, to try to learn to yodel with my yodel-o-dee. I climbed a big high mountain on a clear and sunny day, and met a yodeling gal up in a little Swiss chalet. She taught me to yodel, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee. She taught me to yodel, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee. Ho-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee, ho-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee, ho-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee, ho-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee-lo-dee. Well, now I'm gonna teach you how to yodel just like me. It's easy when you're singing to go yodel-o-dee. First you take a deep breath and it's KO 1, 2, 3. Then you'll hear yodel if you listen close to me. Yeah, this is how to yodel. Yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee. This is how to yodel. Yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee. Hurdy-lurdy.